What's going on? Madam here from the road in somewhere Alabama, headed all around the southern US for an 8-week road trip. So I will be coming at you from the road in this horrible lighting, but it is what it is. I can't find my glasses, but you know what? We're here and we're ready to talk about Farmers World, other NFT projects I've been involved with along the way. So I'm going to give you a full update here in just a second. So let's get into it and do some screen sharing. This is my current farm. I have an axe, a net, a rod, a boat, two silver wood memberships, and a bronze food membership that I've been farming. I also have a second farm. It would take too much time to pull it up right now, but that is where I have another farm plot full of corn, just as I do on this account. So I'm farming 2 farm plots, lots of food tools, but right now I'm kind of holding because, as you can see, everything is down a ton on Alcor. So it actually has gone up a little bit in the past 24 hours, but overall the market has been down for quite some time now, probably week and a half, 2 weeks. It's just been steadily trending down, but there is what I kind of see as a light at the end of the tunnel, in that the developers have dropped a bulk exchange right here in the game. So that makes things a little bit easier. It does take quite a bit of CPU, but I've said this the whole time. CPU is no big deal for me. I just stake more wax because, remember, you are earning rewards, not Farmers World rewards, but wax rewards for staking your wax anyways. So to me, it's just like a little savings account where you're making more free wax, and you can claim that. I've got a video I'll link up here to show you exactly how to claim your Genesis rewards and your voting rewards for staking your wax. So to me, staking more for CPU or needing to stake more is not a big deal. It's just like a little savings account. So why not? But anyways, if you want to bulk exchange in the game, you just go to your chest and you scroll over to your corns. When you click exchange, it'll bring up a pop-up here, and you just enter however many you want to exchange. Click exchange and boom, you get your gold. So glad they made it easier, but that also tells me that they're working on things on the back end and they're starting to listen to their community on Discord. So just keep tracking along. I would say stay the course in Farmers World. I think things should pick back up eventually. And when they do, the developers will drop their supposed update that they've had just sitting waiting for months now. So anywho, I think that's promising. So I'm going to stick with my current farming situation and just keep going. Other than that, I have been getting involved in another project called Monster Fight, and it is on the Wax blockchain as well. So you can log in with your Wax wallet, just like you can on Farmers World. I hatched a monster right before we hit the road, and I had the video saved, but it's on my other computer. So I do have another egg that's ready to hatch now. So I figured I would do that here with you guys so you can see what it's like. And then I will be learning more about this game enough to explain it in full as I go along. But right now my focus is just on getting these eggs hatched, which takes a long time. So here we go. We're hatching a monster. Let's see what it is. It's super cute. Come on. What are you? Are you a poppy? My last one. Oh, you shook your head. Yes, maybe you are a poppy. Let's see. You're very cute. Oh, I got Alice. Okay, and actually, I think green, if we go to their main page, it's monsterfi.io, you can see what the pitch deck looks like and what the rarities are. So I got Alice and I got uncommon. So now I have 2 uncommon monsters. I'll show you them. Let's see. That's not where I would see it. And I have 1 more left to hatch. Still going to be 6 days. Originally, it takes like 20 days, but if you have an incubator, that cuts the time in half, but you can only use 1 incubator on 1 egg at a time. So now that I hatched the other one, I can now incubate the last one that I have. Let's see, where do I go to see what I have? This is the remaining stats as far as like any eggs that are still left out there to hatch. These are the percentages and remaining ones for each rarity. But I don't know where I can go see my monsters, so I guess it's a moot point. But anywho, I'll be looking into that. Another exciting project that I got involved with is the National Parks NFTs. I bought one on the drop and they revealed the next day, 24 hours later. I'm trying to get to there. So what I got was arches, which is like this one right here, but there's so many different backgrounds and rarities and different features on each NFT that makes one more rare than the other. But the cool thing about the NFT, the National Park NFTs, is that there is utility with this in that you get perks. Like I've seen, they've got a couple like free photography sessions, a bunch of different outdoor companies jumping on board. So you could get discounts at like REI or other places like that that decide to get involved in the project. So it's pretty cool in that being an NFT holder of this National Parks NFT will get you additional perks. So that's one. And then the other one that I wanted to talk about is Pixtapes and Pixcases. Now I got in on Pixcases. The Pixtapes dropped a little while ago, and this is all on the Solana network, the Solana blockchain. So it utilizes a different marketplace, different blockchain, all of that. But what's cool is I am involved with this as a holder of the Pixcases, which I believe are getting revealed today. I have not checked to see what mine are, but I have, I think 11 or 13 of these unrevealed Pixcases in my wallet, which I can connect right here using Phantom. So I have 11 Pixcases, and I believe the reveal is today. So sometime today, I'm going to get to see what 11 cases I have. Some of them are selling for quite a bit. But once they're revealed, they'll be even more valuable. So I'm hoping to get some good artists, good songs. Essentially, it's like an old school tape. If you go back to the Pixtapes part, you can see it's like just songs. So I think an Eminem Pixtape sold for like $75,000. So imagine having the tape case that matches that song. How valuable would that be? So we'll see. It's a little bit of a gamble, of course, but isn't that NFTs in general and crypto in general? So we will see what happens there. Other than that, I have been pretty low key and just kind of farming along the way because I'm not spending a ton of time away from vacation, but I do have some of these projects I need to continue following up on and reading up on. So I will come at you with some individual videos for each of those projects that explains in a bit more detail exactly, what they are and why I'm working on them. But other than that, I hope you guys are doing well, and yeah, we will be hitting you up from on the road as we go along. So thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and updates on my NFT journey.